In this video, I'll show you how you can watch Crunchyroll with your friends. Now, the easiest method is by using Discord. So you can simply stream Crunchyroll on Discord and watch with your friends. Now, to do this, if you're on Chrome, you have to disable one setting. So all you have to do is access the Chrome settings by clicking on this three dots icon in the top right corner and then choose Settings. Within the settings, select System, and then within the system, you should see this option, use graphic acceleration when available, and ensure this option has been disabled. Now, once that option has been disabled, all you have to do is open Discord and then find the server that you'd like to stream for your friends. So let's say, for instance, this particular server, and then join any voice channel that are currently available. And then once you join the voice channel, all you have to do is select share your screen. So click on that and then choose the Crunchyroll screen and select it. And then from here, you can now invite your friends. So select invite voice, and then choose the friend that you'd like to invite. So let's say particularly this one, you can simply select invite. And then once they accept your invite, they should automatically join that particular stream. Now, once they join the voice chat, you can simply go back to Chrome and play any anime that you'd like to watch together. And as the anime is playing, you can now go back on Discord and can now see that you're streaming that particular anime to your friends. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.